Ridge vents are one of the smartest ways to keep your attic cool and dry without much hassle. So, here's the lowdown on how ridge vents work to vent your attic right. Basically, these vents run along the roof's peak, letting hot air escape naturally thanks to how hot air rises. You want to make sure the ridge vent is installed properly, like having a continuous gap under the shingles so air can flow freely. Pairing ridge vents with soffit vents is clutch, since cold air comes in from the bottom and pushes the hot air out the top, creating this constant airflow. If your attic is too airtight, the ridge vent won't do much, so you gotta have other intake vents open. Also, keep the vent clear of debris or insulation that might block it. It's a pretty passive system, so no fans needed, which saves on energy bills. Just remember, proper attic ventilation with ridge vents helps prevent moisture buildup and keeps your roof lasting longer. One of the biggest mistakes with ridge vents is thinking they work alone without soffit or other intake vents. Without these, air can't flow properly and your attic stays hot. Another common problem is poor installation. If the vent gaps aren't continuous or get clogged by insulation, it blocks airflow and ruins ventilation. Also, some people ignore attic moisture issues thinking ridge vents will fix everything, but if you don't have enough ventilation overall or have leaks, you'll still get mold and rot. To fix these, make sure you have a balanced system with intake and exhaust vents, get a pro to check your vent installation for gaps or blockages, and inspect your attic regularly for moisture problems. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about attic ventilation and roof projects. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners looking for help on their big home projects.